Here on this episode of Why Are We in the Chicken Coop at Night, and it's freezing out. What are we getting ready to do, Steve?
We are getting ready to put Vaseline on some chicken's comb and wattles.
Why do we have to do that?
Because it's ridiculously cold outside. It's what, 14 degrees?
Yeah.
It's like 5?
Yeah, probably less than that. We'll ask Google when we get inside.
And the Vaseline will help prevent frostbite.
We have some roosters with some pretty good sized combs that we need to get done.
So let me grab my handy dandy Vaseline up here. You can hold that. This is Hey Hey, the big rooster. Vaseline on his comb. This will last a couple days.
He likes it.
Alright, bud, you ready?
This is Mr. Frizzle. He's got an awesome rockin' mohawk to go with his awesome spiky feathers. His name's Mr. Frizzle because he's red. And we're hopefully going to make little red frizzles and call them Miss Frizzles in the spring. What are you laughing at?
You're ridiculous.
Magic school bus. What do you mean I'm ridiculous?
You're ridiculous.
Comment below if you've watched the Magic School Bus. And if your kids have watched the Magic School Bus.
I believe everyone gets the reference.
I'm just saying if they've watched it. Not that they didn't get the reference.
Yeah, bud. What else we got? You sound like an owl.
Bruin is the most talkative chicken that we own. So this is Bruin. His name's Bruin because of
The Boston Bruin, the hockey team.
his coloring. Oh, he's trying to psych you out. It's like, dude, I don't want that gel on my comb.
Alright.
So yeah, that's one of the wonderful things you have to do as a chicken owner when it gets freezing cold out. Well, you don't have to do it, but it's just nice to do it. I mean,
We don't do it all the time. We do it every once in a while. When it gets ridiculously
when
cold.
it gets like really cold, we come out and do it.
Because the coop here is pretty warm. And we've taken all the precautions to knock out all the drafts we can. Except for the little bit of ventilation at the top so it doesn't get too humid in here and cause condensation. But, yeah, every once in a while, put some Vaseline on their heads.
And their wattles if they have them. I think, well, I think Hey-Hey's the one with a waddle.
Yeah, big one.
You got a big old waddle.
Crystal has them too.
But yeah, so it's quick, easy. It's not hard to do. It's just cold out here.
And it's just weird. It feels weird.
It's just weird. And as we like to say, I'm glad I'm not a chicken. I'm glad I'm going inside to my wood stove.
It's like 75 inside. Let's get out of here.
Bye, chickens. Hey Google, what's the temperature outside?
The current temperature in Ashburnham is 16 degrees. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's 0.
That's cold.